tell stories about birds, black birds that fight south of the winter, black-eyed birds that can't sing their songs when they're not in the right environment. They need to go home sometimes. Cage birds can't sing. They just be trying to fly home. My cage bird don't sing, it cries. Stolen wings can't fly, 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 fly. 'Cause they took away our music, music, music. My cage bird don't sing, it cries. Stolen wings can't fly, 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 fly. 'Cause they took away our music, music makers, soul takers, turning trees to twigs, fed us worms from pigs, robbed our nests. The best baby birds learn how to fly across foreign skies. Make it across, lost millions on that ship with settlers looking like Gilligan, figuring our ways to steal again. Another loafer, Sankofa, world African bird, never heard a flock still in shock, carrying Glocks. We are the top on the clock, but we forgot. Planet rock to the planet rock, don't stop. Don't pass gold straight to hell. Bird dressed in blue, locked in a red pie zoo, and all the walls were white. Typical African bird plight. Dropping bass off her beat, bellowing beats quite lyrical, performing miracles magnificent enough to rebuild the walls of Jericho. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. DMC and DJ run. A cage bird don't sing. Beat, clawed feet, leaving droppings on cross burners, wearing sheets, shackled together, black tar babies covered in feathers, wearing America's own pastime tether. Didn't make that cage bird sing a thing, but the whole village knew she could play the harmonica with her heart flute. Breathe life into lungs, make babies come. Stood that bird and sing a peep, 'cause she saw her family moved out like sheep and recognized the wolves shooting at her feet. Find a way to get a grip, might fly off this slave ship, or take the pain of another ass kicking. See, every black bird ain't a piece of fried chicken.
I know cage bird don't sing, bird don't sing. I know why bird don't sing. I know why bird don't sing. I know why bird sing.
In every heartbeat, I mean drumbeat, every heartbeat, drumbeat, heartbeat, drum, 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 drum. Ain't for sample or sale. Well, are you birds or mice? Vanilla ice, ice. Baby cage birds don't sing, they cry. Stolen wings can't fly, 'cause they took away our music. Took away our music.
I know cage bird don't sing, bird don't sing. Thank you.